Children, how are you all? You are fine? Today I'm going to narrate one nice story to you all. So you want to listen that story? Yes? Yes, the story is about the three little pigs love the earth. Yes, once upon a time there were three pigs, and there was a mother pig who had three little pigs, and their names were Onky, Ponky, and Wonky. Yes, there were three little pigs, and their names was Onky, Ponky, and Wonky. One day, the three pigs decided to build their new house. Yes, on their own, because now they have grown up. So they plan to build their house. So next morning, the three little pigs said goodbye to their mummy and daddy. Bye, mummy and daddy. We are going to build the house by ourselves. So mummy and daddy said, okay, bye. Bye. Then they all went to find the location for themselves. Where I should build my house, Onky said. And even Ponky was searching for the location. Where I should build my house? Wonky, where I should build my house? Then they got the best location and they all started building their house. So Onky built the house from the grass and it didn't took too much time. Wow, I have made the house from the grass and my house is ready. And Ponky built his house from wood. Oh, I have made the house from wood. Wow, and it didn't took much time. Wonky built his house from bricks. Wow, I have made my house with the bricks. And it took long time. But my house is strong. The next day, the wolf came along the road. He came to the house of grass which Onky had built. When Onky saw the wolf coming, he ran inside the house and shut the door. The wolf knocked at the door. Knock, knock. Tuck, 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 tuck. Little pig, let me come in. I want to talk to you. No, 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 said the little pig. I know you want to eat me. Oh, I'm not here to eat you. I'm here to advise you. You build your house of grass, but what about our grass eating friends? What will they eat? Oh, grass eating friends? Means, what is the grass eating friends? My house is strong, yes, and I have made my house with the grass. Your grass eating friends do not like it when you waste grass. So rebuild your house as it's not strong either. Heavy rains and storms could just blow your house down. Yes, Wolf said to the pig that your house is not so strong because when there is heavy rain or the storms, your house will blow down. So make another house, okay, with some other material. Okay, rebuild your house and make house strong. Then slowly Wolf went further and he came to the house of Ponky. Ponky had built the house with the woods. When Ponky saw the wolf coming, he ran inside the house and shut the door. Wolf knocked the door. Tuck, 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 tuck. Please open the door. I want to talk to you. No, 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 said the little pig. I know you want to eat me up. I am not here to eat you. I am here to advise you. You build your house of wood by cutting trees. What will they do? Your jungle friends do not like it when you cut down the trees, as the trees and forest are their home. So rebuild your house. And this time you have to build your house strong, because heavy rain and storms could just blow away your house, said the wolf. Oh, I have used the trees. I have cut down the trees and I have made the house with the woods. Oh. Then the next day, Wolf again walked further and reached to the Wonky's house. And Wonky also saw the wolf coming. He ran inside the house and shut the door. Wolf knocked the door. Tuck, 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 tuck. Little pig, let me come in. No, no, no. I will not allow you to come inside. You will eat me. No, no, said the little pig. I know you won't eat me up. I'm not here to eat you. I'm here to tell you that you are smart. From all three pigs, you build your house with the bricks, which is best and the safest. Very good, Wonky. And you didn't cut the grass, you didn't cut the trees. So forest friends and grass eating friends are so happy from you. And your house is so strong that rain and storm cannot blow your house. Well done, very good, Wonky. So the Wonky was so happy, and then they all made the house with the wood, with the bricks. Yes, that's so, children. If you want to make something, you don't have to cut the trees, you don't have to cut the grass or trees. You should not harm anything. Yes, so all the three pigs understood, and they said, they went to mummy, and they said that we have built the house of bricks, and our house are strong, and all grass eating friends and forest friends are so happy from us. So we should not spoil the earth. Yes, we have to clean our earth and we have to take care of earth. So children, you will also look after the earth. You will not cut the grass. Yes, you will not cut the trees. Very good. So the story was about the three little pigs love the earth. You like the story? Yes? Okay. Next time I will come with the new story. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye.